So couldn't get this weed whacker to start. It was getting fuel because I sprayed starter fluid in the carburetor and it still wouldn't start. It was getting spark, but it wouldn't start. So what I've done is taken this exhaust off and noticed that it was quite clogged up in there. So I just put it on the burner for about 10 minutes and it was smoking and quite flamey, and it seems to have cleaned it out quite nicely. So just kind of wait for it to cool down, put it back together, and then see if it will fire up. Still quite hot. Maybe I had that facing the wrong way somehow. Yeah.